Hello everyone, welcome to Nuer Online TV channel. My name is Chang Kwasnyak. In today's report, I bring you two major developments checking both the political and economic scenes of South Sudan. We have two major stories. First, the long-awaited release of Honorable Jotuan, a commissioner of Maiwut County, who was detained months ago under controversial circumstances. And second, we'll talk about South Sudan oil export continue to flow through Sudan even as report of shutdown and drone attack surface in the region. Before we move on with this latest update from Nuer Online TV channel, please hit the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Let's start with the release of Commissioner Larry Jotuan. Today, news broke out that Mr. Larry Jotuan, Commissioner of Maiwut County, has finally been released from detention after a month in custody. According to credible sources, Ambassador Lol Gatkot play a key role in securing his freedom. A report indicates that Lol Gatkot personally spoke with President Salva Kiir Mayardit, convincing him to authorize the release of Larry Jotuan from the Blue House, National Security Detention Facility in Juba, known for holding high-profile political figures. Well, let's go back to how this all started when Commissioner of Maiwut was arrested. A few months ago, Larry Jog was reportedly invited by then Governor Kwang Shorale to attend a commissioner forum in Malakal, the capital of Upper Nile State. However, right after the forum ended, things took a dramatic turn. Larry Jog was handcuffed and flown to Juba for interrogation. He soon found himself detained in the Blue House without clear charges. Before we move on, please know that this is English version. I will also speak in Tognat in the second version later. So if you are somebody who want to know what is happening, please, and you want to know what is happening on the ground, so make sure that follow the next one. This is the first version. The second version I will speak in Tognat. Version in the Ambarwach to English. Version around the Barwach Tognat. So me Jeram Guru dong de railing a guayo building Yoko Tongna. But the concanating one to go to de right. They can learn they can call link to English guasamane. Gorijan ne dialong they can. Let's move on. Many communities members, especially from Greater Gajak, were shocked by the arrest when Commissioner of Maiwut was arrested. They demanded answers, asking why a county commissioner known for his loyalty and service was suddenly treated like a criminal. According to earlier report, Ambassador Lol Gatkot allegedly presented what he called evidence, a set of AI-generated WhatsApp message supposedly showing Larry Jog communicating with SPLM-IO members and expressing frustration with SPLM-IG leadership. The message claimed that Larry was planning to switch allegiance and lead an army rebellion in Maiwut County, an accusation that many, including political observers, describe as false and politically motivated. Analysts believe that the arrest was not really about those messages, but about power struggle inside the Upper Nile political circle. Honorable Larry Jotuan was known to be close to Governor Kwang Shorale. and his removal weakened Kwang support within the Gaja community. When the fake message is spread online, officials in Juba, reportedly ordered Kwang Shorale, the former governor of Upper Nile, who is not now governor, is now appointed as the deputy defense minister. Kwang was ordered to arrest Ler Jotuan and send him to the capital. Even though Kwang might have doubted the story, he had no choice but to follow instruction from above. Months later, Lolgat Court successfully lobbied for the removal of Kwang Shorale as governor of Upper Nile. And now, ironically, Ezekiel Lol is the same man who helped release Ler Jotuan, according to the report. So the question people are asking is, where's Ler Jok arrest really about national security or about political games within the ruling system? For now, one matter most is that Commissioner Ler Jotuan is free. Community leaders have welcomed his release, calling it a movement of justice and relief for Maiwut County residents who have been waiting to see their leader return. Observers are urging both the government and political actors to stop using security institutions for political rivalries, warning that such action destroy public trust and unity. We are happy. One of the elders say that they are happy. Their son is being released and is out, but the pain remains. What happened to him should never happen to another leader. The release also brings new question. Will Ler Jotuan return to his office as commissioner, or will there be new political arrangement in Maiwut County? That remains to be seen in the coming days. The good news is that Ler Joak is out prison. Let's look at our second top story. Oil export continue amid Sudan shutdown report. Well, South Sudan oil exports are still flowing through Sudan, despite recent reports suggesting possible shutdown due to insecurity in the north. The newly appointed Undersecretary of the Ministry of Petroleum, Mr. Chol Deng, has officially confirmed that South Sudan's oil production has not been stopped. This clarification came after confusion spread following a letter from the former Undersecretary Engineer Deng Lual, who warned that drone attack near Sudanese oil facility could lead to potential shutdown. In the letter, Deng Lual advised the government to prepare for a safe shutdown plan in case the situation worsened. However, just day after that warning, President Salva Kiir replaced him and appointed Chol Deng as the new Undersecretary. Speaking at a press briefing in Juba on Wednesday, on Wednesday morning, Chol Deng assured the public and investors that oil is still flowing normally through the main pipeline in Sudan. He said, "Let it be clear to everyone, oil is still being exported from South Sudan through Sudan. There is a lot of misinformation going around, but the truth is production continues as usual." What do you think? The first person who was working as a Minister of Petroleum is being removed for saying that the oil pipeline has been damaged. Do you think that this is true? This is a way of misleading the people of South Sudan. Anyway, let's continue with this. Well, this new Minister of Petroleum explained that oil from Block 1, 2, and 4, as well as Block 5A, known as Nal Blaine and Dar Blaine, are still being transported from the Palosh oil field to Port Sudan, where they reach the international airport. They reach the international market. Chol Deng's statement was meant to calm public anxiety, and restore confidence in the country's main economic lifeline. They do not want South Sudanese people to panic. That this is what I normally know. Yeah. Oil remains, the backbone of South Sudan economy, accounting for more than 90% government revenue. Any disruption, even for a few days, could severely affect the country's fragile economy. But the really concern lies in Sudan's ongoing internal conflict. Drone attack, army clash, and instability near the pipeline pose a real threat to South Sudan oil flow. Energy analysts warn that if Sudan fighting is spread closer to South Sudan or the pipeline route, South Sudan could face a serious economic shock. However, for now, pressure continue. Tankers are still leaving Port Sudan with South Sudanese crude destined for the Middle East and Asia. Chol Deng said the government is closely monitoring the situation and is in touch with both Sudanese authorities and international partners to ensure the safety of the pipeline network. He also mentioned that alternative plans are being considered in case the situation worsens, including possible storage and rerouting option. While the reassurance bring relief, the incident also revealed deep issues in the management of South Sudan petroleum sector, including internal miscommunication and political reshuffle that can cause market uncertainty. Citizens are now calling for clearer information from the Minister of Petroleum, so the public is not left in confusion every time there is a report from Sudan. As you know that this oil in South Sudan is a lifeline for South Sudanese. So if the export is stopped, you know what will happen in South Sudan. So it is that this must continue. Channel right ke name. Jodo di na banling wasme. Wasme banner right kalare konlat Karodian. Chiko rajanin kalare. Ko bana woniam mi jiram jirit gwaza bi ngaje no to kon kare wala kon kalat kenyam bi ngaje no to kon ngene ti lian ka rwani ka to English ka gor kano de kan channel de kan support ka to kon ke ka de kon lian tung nat cheter yene de kon lingwas me bana jome bana jeling kel leran yam bana ling ban right ke qui honorable der joto an jen charge luñ la commissioner Maiwut County ami bañ wax kel gwasme Urnen yena me jen honorable ler jotuan jaram dan la commissioner charge yene ka gwase dan of course dio je ci kon diala ngach right now bana right commandant le rodo gwasum ko de kon te nga mum je to ka je gwase dan cha yen ka je rodo bana right ka kwi liet dung South Sudan chala do cha nyokami wa kana kapchong bat ci ko polling no cha liet cha je kapchong ci liet ci flow but right now ci joje no dio ka je no ci liet ngodo we kam lede ane chana je talk ka kwi honorable Lerjotuan commissioner of Maiwut County lera me na me ki raje je to wala mala ler honorable Lerjotuan ajen commissioner Maiwut County jen ala do chaje lu nyen wala ka changa bakel ka paywal ke ron ki dagro jen dang ro wi de ka korga me chaje yene ne kume kirme yadit ka jom chalat gwasa me chalado nene lor gar kot waje ne jaram dana lunya man luñ ler jotwan teke turnya nyua ko online gwasa me atinyo den go cha ler jotwan cha jeluñ lol gat kot dong de tour kel de nyoy kel bani ko de yente ka ngaj kum dan le rode ngay ko na gwade dane yan ke ler jotwan tin ci kon yala nen wo cha yen ka dom cha cha ka no jene cha ti ai ki we ka kuma SPLIO ka gwase dan an walle ci jojo gwan wo ne cha leer juak cha je luñ be tour de be nyoy kel ko gor kon banel te ke lien kam dan le rode gor jeno biya tour me biya janen je tour menen kon mo gwaz me di nen gwaz me cha tour ke ne dang joko ken jende daro te lol gat ko te tin wen mo shanen lol gat ko ta waji ramadan luñ wudame ler jotwan ka ta dan chalat ke je ray wuci winami chalan wo ci lol gat ko ci ray ke president Salva Kiir yadit wace je convince no baler jotwan ba je luñ ko blue house ko chaje yen ko blue house cheng ne blue house no won en ler jotwan ce chu jojo gwa en go teme waram dana shine me shiri aleka ezekielul gat ko de jen chirwach ka president Salva Kiir yadit ka chikan Kwang Shorale, of course, she can convince, ko be ram me be large to be jago bajelun, and on a condiala. Kajo chukul to a government one linger, Georgia Guan and she is a kelol, she right, a key che large to anti jago bajelun. Guade dan take a jom channeling the oja canating one day, don't they? They can take a Katirian lot, Kajo dan chalat guasman, go day and take a young bunny. Okay. Chaladun go large jotuan, why yan jaka michacha kaja. Chana jelling. Corpente con large joag charge invite and will take Governor Forum Melatke, Governor Kwang Shorale. Kwang Shorale, Kojarameda la Quera, Mura Kanani, which Kakwer, Governorship, Jen Chaladnu. Kitchen invite all the county commissioner Kapanal. Chaler Jotu and Chajanang wishing Winami Kamalakal Chewa, Jechu Malakalo, capital Dunga Panal State, and when more Kajan Ray Dulkanamoni, Michachol Canadian. Chaler Juan Guadamoka Cor Tok Adeka, Tok Foremka, Chaler Jotu and Chuakemni, Chuatik, Chuai Moike Shik. Kakore chuanang ne jene ke juba Governor Kwang Shorale wakne ler jwa wakamet ke jodan chalap ke je but gwazame wacha governor cha jako jen dere ler jotu andere je watch ko chala ler jotu ane take WhatsApp group teten mishe declare no jene cha tiache ko kuma spilayo karamdana walen namo walul gatkot ambassador lul gatkot Jerama edane la do ishe AI generated WhatsApp message cheka kamrar mnyo de jeno ler jotu aneram kelmi mo mimet kane kume mraike dakma chala kume spelayo of course no mo chala no she talk ko jen ram kel ko kume spel maji badete ke liquid information ke tam cha kamrar ka WhatsApp bare medane cha gwanyi no la no mo ambassador lol gatkot namo ajendo be dane woy keler jato nan wala ci joje no lolgar ko de jaram dane shiler joak ci jelo kamrar ketijin so report mi me ajen ci ane noni no ka jo chalat gwase me lere joak ne governor Kwang Shorale watele kengu but gwege jeno do be dane ci ajo woy keje wa che governor Kwang Shorale kan ne ko te Maiwut la wuje danan jen lar jokten ki commissioner wache ka mo ke ter ke Kwang Shorale wache telwe mo Kwang Shorale kwa support ke jeken ka gwade dan en Maiwut take care ke kum kirm yadit kan we ko kum spela yo shumena tama ban ngode chawude me chajo gwanyen o jene ran kum spele ayo so jen do dana waje jen ke je mi chagu jeno ba na me mi je ko ram mi ja che ka chajo yen ke te cha share online ram kel mi chiti ka che ko kum spele ayo ka right now kan shi lo lo nyabo te je spele ayo te shi lo lo so chete ka petton wan regime ka te jen right now the good news is that cha commissioner lar jotuan chaje nyok mulon keje so right now is free ka jodan chalat keje jen shanen ka turo gwasame ano jen take le tamaka na kwarti di shanente ka kume amraik kirmi yadit because these are the people who kon shunkel ke kir so jen do bana chalat keje no chicken lar jotuan chicken lun so den yunen kel ke lar jotuan te kel wenamo so jo me jen dan di link so the question should be en lar jotuan baje loy gwade la commissioner wale charge buloiten so ngot kon ko what will happen next so jo me jen jo dan di link ku lar jotuan and bana we ka lerodien chana right ka ku liet entre we ka sa Sudan chala de ne charge kapchong telerami liet millet but right now gwade dan okay let's talk about ramedan la do liet charge kapchong and the secretary of minister petroleum niam chala de wone na jeni chali chaje kapchong engineer Deng Lual an engineer Deng Lual jaram la former under secretary ka kor me chala no cha warga chaje gor ka chali chaje kapchong ko wa pipeline injen ka Sudan ko lo port Sudan wa cha ga yerne lo chi oil che de let ene ko kor me chikin mi adi che report mo che ding den che gudu me che padrar che je kwara and then chu gudu chwal ke me Chol Deng Ramala Minister of Petroleum and the Secretary of the Minister of Petroleum Chol Deng waga kor che statement che make shela do ne me shala che tok ajene oil ngodo ko flow ali ngodo we kami lada ajene changmen chala do te kami che tok ajene akach ajene misinformation. So let's see it this way. Uda me mishal ke engineer Deng Luale e waman chala de misinformation wo cha che drone che ngade che dak ya pipeline che dak de channel letter channel jenen misha gor Sudan government, right? Ka chala la no me chala de akach and then chudu me le benentema chela blad no li de lade kana kon gek la li de kan getema ka paloch baje nan ka Sudan ba nan ka Port Sudan kan ko ya no gwad mi te ka kur and do kwalit kwal nan je jen kuna la gayo but chala do ne me wo chi South Sudanese can be panic ko mi che jojo gwano chali chaje gek and then dong the economic there je te dial de je so kwal to no cha goro banga je jen do be dane wo ku do mo so malalar ke no nga ka cha wo bang without reason, but this is the reason, one reason. De kon jome de kon ling chikala den oil jatin block 1 2 ke 4 block 5A tichale nal blend ken dar blend wangu de let ken they are functioning wa kapalojo alfil taganang ka Port Sudan gwada dana ba ko tin, so that is it jen job dana chala de me men goro en gode nyaa ye kelen bar nyu je kele rodien ju pero jino jin bi Nuer Online TV channel bi ja support ka bi subscribe and bi atakamal bye bye.